What if I told you that the secret to mastering modern training and development lies in a practice that dates back to medieval Europe? Welcome to the Strategic Leadership Playbook, where we unlock ancient wisdom to elevate your leadership and management skills. Today, we'll explore how the apprenticeship model of medieval guilds can revolutionize your approach to training and development. In this video, we'll guide you through a step-by-step process to build a robust training program that transforms and revolutionizes your team into skilled professionals, making you a sought-after trainer. Welcome to the Strategic Leadership Playbook, where we unlock ancient wisdom to elevate your modern management practices. Our mission is to transform aspiring leaders into visionary strategists and seasoned managers into masters of strategic brilliance. We want to empower you with the timeless strategies of the ancients, equipping you with the tools to lead with excellence. In this amazing video, we're diving into the powerful world of training and development by drawing parallels between the medieval apprenticeship model and modern skill-building programs. First, we'll explore how the guild systems of medieval Europe set the foundation for effective training. Next, we'll compare these ancient practices with today's corporate training strategies. Finally, we'll wrap up with actionable steps you can implement in your own training programs to develop a highly skilled, cohesive team. By the end of this video, you'll have an easy step-by-step guide to applying the time-tested principles of apprenticeship to your modern training programs, ensuring that your team not only learns but masters the skills needed to excel. Guys, now is a great time to hit that subscribe button for more weekly videos like this. Step 1. Establishing the foundation, understanding the guild system. Before you can train effectively, you need to understand the foundation. The medieval guild system was built on a clear hierarchy of learning, with apprentices, journeymen, and masters each playing a crucial role. The guild system was a structured approach to skill development, where apprentices learned from masters through hands-on experience. This model emphasized gradual learning, where knowledge was passed down through stages, ensuring mastery at each level before moving on. In your training program, establish clear learning stages for your team members. Begin by identifying the foundational skills they need to master before advancing to more complex tasks. This approach ensures that your team builds a solid foundation of knowledge and skills, much like an apprentice learning from a master. Imagine a situation where you're onboarding new employees in a tech company. You can adjust this example to suit your industry and organization. Start by training them on basic coding practices before advancing to more complex programming tasks. This phased approach mirrors the apprenticeship model, ensuring a deeper understanding and mastery of skills. Always start with the basics and ensure everyone understands. Proceed slowly but surely, taking note of your learners' difficulties and hurdles. Step 2. Creating a structured learning path, the journey from apprentice to master. A clear path to mastery is essential for effective training. Just like guild apprentices, your team needs a structured learning path that guides them from novice to expert. In the guild system, apprentices followed a well-defined path to become journeymen and eventually masters. Each stage had specific milestones and competencies that had to be achieved before progressing. Adjust your training programs based on stages and clear instructions, always carefully watching the learning progress of your learners. Asking questions and getting them to respond will give you an idea of how effective your training is. Design a structured learning path for your team, with clear milestones and objectives at each stage. Break down complex skills into manageable chunks and provide regular assessments to ensure they've mastered each level before moving on. For example, you're developing a leadership training program. Start with foundational skills like communication and decision-making, then progress to more advanced competencies like strategic thinking and team management. Use assessments and feedback to gauge their readiness to advance to the next level. Remember to take note and fine-tune your training program for the future. As a trainer, you can also learn a thing or two from mature and experienced learners. Step 3. Hands-on experience and mentorship, the key to mastery. Theory is important, but hands-on experience is where real learning happens. The guild system thrived on mentorship and practical experience, two elements that are just as crucial in modern training. Apprentices in medieval guilds spent most of their time learning by doing, under the close guidance of a master. This hands-on approach ensured that skills were not just learned, but perfected. Incorporate hands-on experience and mentorship into your training program. Pair less experienced team members with seasoned professionals who can guide them through practical tasks. This mentorship approach helps bridge the gap between theory and practice, accelerating skill development. For example, in a sales training program, rather than just teaching negotiation techniques in a classroom, have trainees shadow experienced salespeople during client meetings. This practical exposure, combined with mentorship, will give them the confidence and skills needed to excel. Step 4. Continuous feedback and improvement. The Guild's approach to quality. To achieve mastery, continuous feedback and improvement are essential. The Guild's maintained high standards through regular evaluations and adjustments, something you can apply to your training programs today. Guilds maintained quality by regularly evaluating the work of apprentices and providing feedback for improvement. This continuous loop of learning and feedback ensured that only those who met the high standards advanced. Implement a system of continuous feedback in your training program. Provide regular constructive feedback to help your team members improve their skills. Most importantly, be enthusiastic and approachable. Encourage a culture of continuous learning, where feedback is seen as a tool for growth rather than criticism. Imagine this scenario during a project management training program. Conduct regular reviews of participants' project plans and execution. Provide specific feedback on areas of improvement and offer guidance on how to enhance their performance in future projects. Conclusion. By adopting the time-tested principles of the medieval guild system, you can transform your training and development programs into powerful tools for skill mastery. Implement these steps and watch your team evolve from novices into experts capable of tackling any challenge with confidence. Keep following the Strategic Leadership Playbook for more insights in our weekly videos that will not only sharpen your leadership skills, but also position you as an all-round leader sought after by your peers and superiors. Subscribe now and elevate your training game to new heights. Be the best you can be.